If everything is just a passing memory, and as in a dream, you can't really grasp anything, you have to wonder, who is aware of this? Who is the dreamer? Who is hearing these words right now? We know the answer to these questions. Me, I'm hearing these words. Nothing could be more obvious than this. But have you really examined it? When you have a moment, try this experiment. Find yourself, the me who hears and sees and feels. Find a definite, concrete, identifiable somebody there within your awareness. I think you will find this is not so easy to do. You can find plenty of thoughts and emotions, sensations, opinions, sense experiences, but it's difficult to find an I. Imagine that suddenly, for no reason, your mind were to become very quiet, and there was only a feeling of presence, and there is nobody complaining, and there are no stories going on in your mind. There's only awareness. You may well have had such an experience in a moment of spontaneous repose. If you should experience a moment like this, it will become instantly clear to you that awareness is something extremely mysterious, and that we really don't know where it comes from or what it is at all. Examine the nature of awareness and see for yourself.